head through the stretch. What a horse race this one is. Sunday Silence.
Wolf goes out, all's out, Fields sent on their way in the Preakness Stakes. Easy Goer dwelt and was slow to begin. Houston has rushed to the lead under Angel Cadero, Northern Wilf on the outside and pulverising at the rail. Pat Valenzuela has Sunday Silence in the gold cap, tucked right there in fourth. Dancel is in fifth position, 4 lengths off the lead. Another length back to Easy Goer. In behind Easy Goer is Rock Point and Hawks to the trailer, 10 lengths off the leader. They head to the 7/8 pole and it's Northern Wilf on the outside and Houston down at the rail. They're going a solid pace up there. Pulverising is racing third. Here's Sunday Silence in fourth, only 3 lengths off the lead. Houston is starting to open up on the front end. Now he's quickened the pace up. Easy Goer is racing in 5th position. He's 5 lengths off the lead. Dancel is scraping the paint along the rail and the trailer is now Rock Point. Hawkster right at the back. He trails by 5. They pass the 5/8 pole and Houston leading it by 2. Sunday Silence and Easy Goer both make their move at the same time. Easy Goer pulling Pat Day out the saddle and going right on by. A half mile to run. Easy Goer is the new leader in the Preakness. Houston is having to be asked. Sunday Silence is third, 2 lengths off the leader. Then comes Dancel. They have 3/8 of a mile to go. Easy Goer. Houston down at the rail. Sunday Silence is now coming back at them on the outside. And here comes Sunday Silence back. And now it's his turn to go right on by Easy Goer. And here's the race we've been waiting for. Sunday Silence on the outside. Easy Goer at the rail, head and head coming to the 8th pole. Sunday Silence and Pat Valenzuela. Easy Goer and Pat Day head and head through the stretch. What a horse race this one is. Easy Goer and Sunday Silence going nose and nose in the Preakness. Sunday Silence, Easy Goer. Here's the finish. Sunday Silence wins it.